Pre, wala akong na-ABS. Uy,
Guys, kamusta?
baka sa Twitter natin, meron.
Or baka sa YouTube, hindi YouTube yung dati, no? Ayan, on air. Ayan. Hala, you need an app.
No, I don't think so.
Right? Desktop side. The desktop. Okay. On air, TV.
Huwag kayo mag-check na history.
Ayan. Ayan.
Wow!
Ito na. Galing ko.
Let's go.
May ads. Ala!
Mahirap talaga.
Yan. Okay na to, no? Is it good? Are these actual ads? I think actual ads siya nung ano.
Saya talaga mag-short, no?
Oh my gosh!
Where?
I am having technical difficulties.
Hindi mo i-full screen.
Yun nga, pag pinipil yung full screen, nag-pinipil yung ad. Ano naman siguro yun, no? Itanong mo nga.
Guys, nasa
Itanong mo
inyo
sa
sa...
Viber. Ito ba yun? Kasi hindi ako sure.
Dito sa mga
Alam, ba't may mga aso? Yan. Ads.
Baka nga. Hindi ko alam kung ads o ito talaga yung commercial ngayon sa TV.
Hi guys, sorry na
Wait.
nagkakaproblema po sila.
KBS
So,
News?
me and
Don't
Wilson will talk to you
don't
guys
pay.
first. Kamusta naman ang araw mo?
Okay naman.
Or
How's your...
KBS 2?
Oh, yes,
Oh.
your hands are hurting, right?
Yeah.
Because of
They did something.
Yeah, they did something. Yeah.
Kaya,
Anong ginawa mo?
kaya napagod sa taon ko ngayon.
Bro, gym ka pre. Anong gym?
Nagbuhat ng ano.
Tama ba?
Tubig.
Oh.
Ito yung pusang ano, yung pusang parang...
Links.
Oh, hindi.
Hala, kilala ko yan.
Ito yung links.
Links. Siya yung ano.
Yung nang ano. Di ba links yung walang...
Ano? Links.
Hindi, iba pa yung Sphinx. Ito yung may tawag dito yung parang nangangagat.
Yung mga ganyan lagi.
Parang kurama yun.
Ano?
Fox yun, boy.
May ganun animals.
Guys, it's DJ Chikatali by the way!
Let's go!
Let's go!
And it looks good. It's looking good. Are all the VIP seats you have good? I mean, did you get your preferred ones? Why is there
I think so.
It's a bobcat, I think. It's a bobcat.
Ano naman?
Yeah, it's a something bobcat.
Kasi, search mo nga kung Bobcat. Kasi I think that's Links.
Makikita naman yan.
That's Links cat.
Bobcat.
That's a Link cat.
Really? It's a bobcat.
Not Bobcat, bro.
Oh.
A Bobcat is
Lynx.
like
Are you sure it's a lynx?
so hairy.
Lynx cat? It's not a lynx too.
Sphinx.
Iba pa yung Sphinx.
Alam ko wild yun eh. Yung pusa na yun.
Why are we talking about cats? We should be talking about our immortal songs.
Iba yung Sphinx
Hindi,
ah.
pre.
Eh,
Yung Sphinx yung mga chicken.
Ha?
Kanina. Yung mga chicken sa
Ayan.
sa palengke. It's a Madagascar something, di ba? Alam ko.
Ano nga yung pusa niya?
What up?
Madagascar.
So guys, alam niyo
meron
naman
daw ditong
Kung ano
naka-SBIP.
yung day ngayon, di ba?
Wow!
Mami niya daw.
Congrats.
Congrats!
I can't find it. I am tired. I need to find the KBS thing before it starts.
Yeah.
Baka ito. Ano to? Dongin. KBS. Ito, diba? Tama, diba?
Yeah.
KBS, diba?
NBC.
Ba't di niya sinasabi?
Hindi kayo nagtanong.
Ha?
Ay,
NBC boy!
NBC ba? Oh my gosh.
Ba't wala nagsasalita?
Hindi ka
No,
nagtanong.
bro.
Ano may
Pagkakaalam ko kay BS.
KBS 2!
KBS 2.
Ang galing mo kay Burley.
Guys, we only have
Ito, KBS
13 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, it's 6:05 eh.
No.
Ayun, ito na.
Yan.
No, said
She said it will start at 6 p.m.
Yeah. Okay, we still have time.
Yeah.
Guys, go to the KBS2 channel. It's in the onair.kbs.co.kr.
yeah.
If you can watch it from the Philippines, I'm not sure.
Saturdays.
Okay, we are on the KBS2.
Yeah.
I want to read comments, but my phone is there. Okay.
Si ano?
Ayan. Ooh.
Nanood siya.
If the
Yes, Marcus is Barabeze. Papayo. Very
Siya ang
Papayo.
pinaka-busy sa amin sa lahat ngayon. Sa ngayon.
Yeah.
Sa ngayon.
Ano nga niya, You betrayed me.
Isaac.
IZX.
Isaac.
Please support IZX.
Isaac.
Please support IZX from Horizon.
Yeah.
Please support our baby Marcus.
Isaac.
It's IZX with the exclamation point, diba?
Yeah.
Yeah. Isaac.
Isaac.
And hindi siya si Marcus doon, guys. Guys, he is not Marcus there. He is Max.
He is
Yo,
Max.
Max!
Hey, Sir Max.
Isaac.
So please support our baby Marcus as he goes to IZX and
Yeah.
promotes as IZX. He will still be part of
Isaac.
Horizon. I mean,
Isaac.
of course he will.
I think
he will be
he
forever.
is,
Horizon.
I don't think we should.
Ano yun?
Parang siya yung
Baby?
sa
Magne?
Oo,
Eh?
Mac na siya.
Oh, siya
Oh,
yung
siya
Siya yung pinakabata sa
Oo, kasi yung iba, 20, kasi meron kasi age ko, and then may 2003, and then may 1997. So he's like super young there. Because he's super young here, but he's more
Super
young.
young.
Super duper. Yeah. I think a lot of anchors were confused about it. Wait, meron pa tayo. We have 10 to 15 more minutes before the performance starts. Can we say that it's a performance? Yeah, right?
See you on November 3 Horizon. See you too.
See you.
Yeah.
See you.
Excited na
See you
kami!
Guys, kwentuhan nyo kami ng ng mga experience nyo sa pagkuha ng tickets. Like,
May nangyari ba?
may nangyari ba para magawa natin ang paraan?
Yan.
Or okay naman, is it all smooth sailing? Let's, please
Pero
tell
para
us.
namang dyan. Para kang number 2.
Ba't hindi nag-update yung comments mo, pre? Parang kanina pa to nandito.
Kaya Winston yan sa mine. My phone is there.
Ba't hindi nag-update?
Parang hindi nga nag-update. Naglolo ko. Kaya nag-out ako tapos nag-join ako.
Sorry for the notification.
Secured. Yay! Secured takes!
Yeah, sana ma-sold out, guys.
Yeah, okay lang yung mga late enrollee.
It's fine. Marami pa kayong araw.
Yes.
Okay lang yan guys. Ako nga
pasukan.
pag nag-enroll late ako eh.
30, ilang? 36?
Mag-suggest kayo pwede gawin pang science project. So, I think for science project, you can do volcano.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ano yung
Happy
happy
cake.
cake?
Clay? Ganun sa amin.
Happy
Sa'yo
cake.
gawa kayo.
Medyo nugutom.
Tapos may pinapatak na something.
Kahit tayo. Ito.
Ano kayo?
Yung chicken.
Wow! Dami pera ni
Guys, see you there!
Yung cashier sa
We
SM
have-
ba ko or ang tagal mo pindot ng number?
Hala!
Hala!
Guys, good things take time.
Yeah.
Hey.
We have 36 days
Yeah, tama 36.
to go.
Flight ticket secured na din. Oh, some people are flying?
Yeah.
Wow, thank you so
From
much.
their
Me
town.
too.
Yeah, us too were flying. So please pray for a safe flight.
Have a
Kasi
safe flight.
hindi pa natin
Nakwento mo pala yung
Oo.
ano, turbulence.
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 Tagalog kasi!
Mas English pa kayo turbulence eh. Parang mas turbulence.
Hindi, pag ano ka ba, turbulence.
Pag turbulence kasi yung mga Bisaya, mas mahilig sila sa E tsaka I.
Yeah.
So turbulence.
Yeah, it was so crazy. Kasi nung pumunta kami pa Korea, puro mga old people yung kasama namin. Mga may edad na. Kaya, nagpapanik talaga sila, di ba? Pero alam nyo kung hindi nagpanik?
Grabe talaga yun.
May hindi nagpanik.
Register.
Ayun.
Siya!
Oo, sabi niya kasi normal daw
Ang
yun.
lungkot.
Normal pa yun basta
Sabi-
walang nalalaglag na gamit.
Grabe! Ang galing
Hanggang
niya.
hindi nag-aapoy yung
Engine.
yung engine. Palaglag.
Like grabe as in sa likod tayo parang gumanon talaga.
Yeah.
Natutulog ako, biglang gumagano.
Biglang buti na lang tayo nun. Naka
Naka
seatbelt tayo.
Pero buti na lang ako ay naka noise cancelling mode. Sponsored by JBL.
Thank you, JBL!
Where's my JBL?
Yeah, kasi bago tayo
Binigyan ng
lumipad,
JBL.
binigyan tayo ng JBL ng mga headphones,
Oh,
speaker.
complete set.
Ganyan.
JBL lang talaga sa kalam kasi
Sa kalam.
Yeah.
Pero grabe, hindi ko talaga alam yung turbulence. Kaya, Feeling ko
Akala
talaga
ko
sabi
yun na yun.
Feeling ko, end ko na to, end of the world na to.
Di ba nagsabi ka, nag-pray ka, di ba?
Oo, nag-pray talaga ako nun.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi ko talaga alam yung turbulence. Pagbaba natin, sinetch ko siya. Tapos
Na-
may 3 types pala siya na turbulence. Pero
What are
hindi ko
the 3
nasasabi.
types? Please explain to our classmates.
Nakalimutan ko na eh. Pero may... Basta yung 3.
Wait, ano yung pinagkaiba-iba? Parang kung gano'n ka-intense, no?
O, yung iba, naka-link
Dahil,
sa taas.
dahil yun
Galing
sa clouds, di ba? Dahil ba yun sa
Oo.
clouds?
Dahil sa, ano, tawag dun, di ba nagkaka-turbulence daw dahil sa
Nimbus stratus.
different flow ng
Kapoy!
air. Ayun, tapos, di ba bawal daw at
Di kapoy daw, kapoy.
yung hot,
Ay,
tsaka
Marcos, ang
cold
taas mo.
air.
Ay.
Ayun, kapag nagkukulad yung hot tsaka cold air daw, doon nagkaka-turbulence. Nagdi-different flow yung air. That's why.
Because I saw sa movie din, may nangyari, kung possible yun, may pumasok na ibon dun sa ano, sa engine.
Wala
Yun
naman.
yung pinakamalala.
Pero patay naman yun.
Yun yung pinakamalala.
Pero may
Kapag
chance
kasi
na-
bird strike yun eh. Yung ganun.
So anong nangyari nun? Nag-uwi nga yung
Yun, nagkapoy
You're
yung
on
engine.
B.
Kasi yung blood nun, maapektuhan
Kakalat
yung
sa
engine.
everywhere.
Lagot. Kaya mag-ingat kayo sa mga
Kaya mag-iingat.
Dapat kayo. Dapat.
Pray! Dapat lagi mag-pray.
Is there any dress code for the concert? Yes, it's a school uniform.
Because you're our
Nasabi ko
classmates.
dun ah. Yeah, but if you don't have school uniform, you can
Bye.
doctor uniform, teacher. Ano pa bang uniform?
Basta uniform guys!
Kahit anong uniform.
Pati ka-
Uniform.
Pwede yung mga
Police
teacher,
uniform.
mga teacher, pwede pumunta dun.
Yeah.
Police uniform.
Kahit anong uniform ka.
Yeah.
Tapos, basta ano.
And it's
Masaya.
November 3 lang days away ba yun? Hey Google, how many days away is November 3?
Guys, sa mga nagtatanong kay Marcos, sinabi na po namin, wala po siya dito. Kanina pa kayo eh.
Wag na kayo. Nagagalit na siya.
Nagagalit na siya ito.
May
Hindi pa kasi
schedule.
siya nakakain.
Kaya naman kasi late kayo nag-join. Hindi dapat nag-join.
Oh, pag sa mga class nga naman kasi, nangyari na yun sa inyo sa class na
Oo, yung teacher nagpe-present na ng something, tapos
Ako na-try ko na yun.
yung pagpasok mo. Tapos ang awkward kasi titignan ka nila lahat.
Oo.
Yun yung ano dun.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos
Oo,
mapapangiti ka na, ay sir, sorry po, late po.
Early kasi ako lagi pumasok. Wow.
Hindi, na-try ko din yan. Late ako tapos, di ba may mga window doon sa gilid ng... sa labas ng
Classroom?
Ng classroom.
Oo.
Ano lang ako doon? Natawag dito?
Nakasilip.
Nakasilip lang ako kasi
Ah,
yun yung penalty.
Ayun yung
Ay!
pag doon ka lang pwede manood ng klase kapag late ka.
Oo.
Mag-standing ovation ka, pre.
So after ng subject niya, doon na lang ako papasok.
Wala.
Tapos yun, medyo na-off na ako doon. Pumunta na lang ako ng kantin, kumain.
Ganun din ginagawa ko minsan eh.
Ako nagkakating ako eh, nung elementary.
Ito talaga honest, nung
Cutting talaga ako lagi.
first day of school ko, talagang nagkating ako.
Pag mga first day.
Oo.
Kasi yun yung perfect time mag-cutting kasi wala pang tinuturo.
Kasi ano siya talaga, parang ano lang,
Orientation.
Papakilala yung bagong estudyante.
introduce yourself. Ako dun, matagal na ako dun sa school na yun. Kaya, ayun.
Kunwari sa first day of class, demure.
Yeah!
Kunwari mysterious.
Mysterious.
Pero pagka kalagitnaan ng ng
Ingay.
semester,
Kasali ka na sa lista ng
noisy.
Feeling heartland ka pa sa una-una eh.
Sorry naman Kyler, late kasi ako nakapasok ng live. Huwag ka na
Ay,
mag-ayos.
sorry.
Sige, lumabas
Huwag ka
ka
nang
muna.
magpaliwanag.
Tumingin ka muna sa ano. Sa window.
Joke, naman na.
Wala.
Joke.
Yeah, he's very busy with ICX right now.
Yeah, I see.
ICX.
I haven't watched the whole episode yet.
Ako napanood ko na.
The whole one, the whole thing. Ano nangyari pa bang sa kanya? Okay naman siya doon.
Okay naman siya. Doing very well naman.
Yeah, he does well. We're not
Ang galing
really
niya talaga
bored.
mag-Korean.
Kaya nga.
Ang galing
Wow.
naman mag-Korean.
He is the best in Korean out of all
Yeah.
of us. We can't compete with Uli Mangne.
Oo. Kahit sa mga pronunciation.
Yeah. He's like Who are you even?
Tapos may kanta ba yun na, di ba kumakanta tayo ng Korean for
May isa daw di pinayagan sa concert.
kasama natin si... Sino kumanta tayo ng Leaves? Saan yun ulit?
Saan YouTube yun?
Oo.
Sa world.
Oo, yun. Tapos kumanta tayo ng Korean.
Yeah.
Tapos nagpapaturo kay Mark.
Yung Sobe.
Sabi ko,
Yeah,
oh,
yun
makanta
daw.
tayo daw in Korean. Tapos sabi niya. Tapos, anong lyrics nun?
Ano, Nenuni.
Ayun, Nenoni. Tapos sabi ko, kanta mo, Nenoni. Tapos sabi ko, gets. Tapos kinanta ko pa rin, Ninuni, bitchin.
Yun yung part na nag-blending tayo. So pag nag-blending kami, yung kanya may accent na
Ninuni. Well, di matanggal yung pagka-waray.
Waray.
Parang medyo mainit dito, no?
Actually, we didn't turn on the
Hindi kasi
aircon.
naka-open yung aircon, pre. Teka, open natin.
Pati ako. Kahit super bilis naman.
Birds of a feather, we should stick together and know.
Ba't tangkad mo naman? Nakakainis.
We'll be together. Oh, that may... Ha?
Is my zipper open?
Kaya magic. Huwag kang magpaliwanag.
Uy, malapit na magsimula! Malapit na! Ay, ito ba yung
Go!
Are we going to hear Racer Kos 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 again?
I wanna perform Costos.
Kos Kos Kos!
Ayan si Jiro daw.
Jeremy
version.
Kos Kos Kos!
Hi.
Ano yung next na? Yung chorus?
Link? Okay, Link. Can you go back to the internet? So guys, ito yung link. Listen to the link. It is onair.kbs.co.kr. I repeat, it's onair.kbs.co.kr. Did you guys get it? And then you go to KBS 2. Dalawa.
Dos.
Dos.
Alas dos.
Dua. E. Yeah. And then you watch it.
Alas 6 na. Merong dito, naglagay ng link.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much for sending the link.
Is it working though?
Naglagay ng link. Yeah, that's right.
Okay, it's currently on a commercial right now.
Grabe nang iinap pa rin kamay. Sa push-up ko maghahapon.
6:05 yung simula pa nung show eh. Ito.
Ano kaya feeling ano? Kapag naging number 1 ka sa ticket ano? Yung number 1 ka talaga.
Number 1?
Ikaw, sa ticket ceiling.
I haven't bought
Curious lang ako.
concert tickets.
I was
supposed to originally go to Ayus Nondenim's concert before, but the traffic was so bad I didn't get any. Because I only had money for like Gen An. Parang naubos na yung Gen An. Gusto ko lang marinig si Ayus Nondenim.
Ako din.
Ano yung kanta niya?
Yung, ano, love.
Love with Soul? Love with Soul.
Nag-humming na lang.
Wake up! I miss you! Wake up!
Pero gusto ko talaga mapanood ng concert kasi
Yeah.
yun yung dream ko yung mapanood ako ng concert na.
Ano daw?
Ayun,
Meron na kapanood
Kapanood
kasi
lahat siya.
The
Ay,
Boys.
The Boys, is on charge. Kasi lagi tayong nagpa-perform kaya hindi natin nakikita yung sarili natin kung gano'ng kasaya sila.
Ano kaya ang feeling pumunta sa Horizon concert?
Ano kaya?
Share
Comment.
comment.
What if hindi ako
Comment daw magsayaw doon.
Oo, what if yung lang ayaw manood?
Manood na lang ako.
So, sino mag-perform? Yung Encores.
Iba-iba ka sa
Sasayaw.
sayo.
What do you guys wanna see sa concert ba?
Shout out Horizon. Shout out Horizon. Shout out Horizon.
Mali ka pre, sigaw. Shout.
Sige, gawin mo. Ikaw nagsabi, gawin mo.
Okay lang yung late enrollees.
Okay
Sa
lang
tagal pa
guys,
naman ng
kasi,
pasukan, mga
kasi
kapatid.
ano, kahit late kayo, makakapasok pa rin naman kayo, hindi naman kayo papalabasin.
Pero,
Kung yung teacher niyo masungit.
pero ano, like, di ba sa kapag late enroll ka, may brigada yun, di ba? Tinatawag.
Ano yun?
Brigada.
Brigada?
Brigada.
Parang brigada, parang ikaw yung maglilinis doon sa mga...
Wait, grabe mo.
Ayo, pagka
Naranasan ko
uwian,
yun.
ganun yun.
Kasi late ka nag-enroll, mapaparusahan ka?
Oo.
Totoo yun. Tapos kapag late kayo mag-enroll sa concert namin, kayo maglilinis ng mga competitor.
Sila!
Meron,
Grabe
nakita
naman.
ko yun kasi nung nag-ano tayo, saan ba tayo nag-show nun? Sinabi ko, Anchors, tulungan nyo silang linisin yung yung confetti, tapos nilinis nga nila.
Ang
Yung
galing.
confetti.
Oo, ang galing.
Galing sa
Galing talaga yun. Hindi pa. 1 minute.
Brigada tawag doon.
Let's go.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
Gugutom na ako guys, sana kayo rin.
Kain na lang ako dyan. Dahil lang ako
Nagugutom ako guys, sana kayo rin.
Wow, feet na feet.
Get mo naman, Jay.
Super.
Coconut.
Rister, ano daw, namimiss niyo daw yung pagiging hyper mo. Ay.
Hey!
Yun na, taas na lang ang energy nun.
mo.
Guys, ito na guys, magsisimula na.
Fighting.
Yay! Ay, paano itong lagyan ng sounds? Tama ba?
We're excited to see.
Pinatay.
Oh my God!
Oh my God, yung Horizon Island!
Ano yung todo?
150.
150 yun sa'yo?
Anong days? Preference lang. May number lang.
Ah, nilagay mo. Guys, sa mga nagtatanong ng site dyan, meron dyan. Nilist mga anchors.
onair.kbs.co.kr Should we chat it?
Yeah. Nandyan.
And then, titim.
Spin mo na lang, tapos spin mo.
onair.kbs.co.kr
Let's see. Let's see.
Let's see.
I'm not sure if that's gonna be the working one, but it's kind of like that. If you search a KBS on Google,
Ganda mo na.
Pero open din sila invite na. Sino ba naglalaro dyan?
Guys, sino naglalaro sa inyo ng COD?
wait, are we on the
Abuhat.
right channel? Why is it not? It's 6:05 though. Why is it not still starting?
Maybe it's natin late.
Hindi pa magsisimula yung online class sa November 3 pa. Kaya mag-enroll na kayo guys.
Hindi, walang online ka sa November 3, boy.
Hindi mag-online class tayo. November 3.
F to F yun. Oo, face to face
Hindi,
yun, pre.
November, una, di ba November 3 morning?
Ano? Tintin na lang natin mo sa'yo.
Agree to disagree.
Agree to disagree.
Kami dapat mag-live. Sige, mag-live na kayo, mga friend.
Wow.
Cook sad.
Face to face ba? Sorry.
Talk English daw.
Ne. Ano? Sorry, I'm lost
we should
Yeah,
speak
because
English because
I
there's
only
a
use my English skills
Yeah.
during Wednesdays. Sorry, but now
Why?
I will use it on a Saturday because I have radio shows on Wednesdays.
Oh, yeah.
So that's where I release all of my English skills that I have accumulated throughout my life. How about you? When do you release your English skills?
I think when I was
When I was
your
I think when I was a high schooler,
Oh,
Wow.
what was your strength?
my strength is my.
May muscle.
No, you're
Muscle.
saying your high strength.
Okay, my strength.
Strength.
Oh! 안녕하세요.
My strength is you know Yums.
Wow.
Yung-
Grabe,
yung-
ang galing mo.
yung-
Mag-games ka.
I mean.
네네. 잠시만요.
Okay guys,
잠시만요.
over the live. So yeah.
No, I'm a HRM.
HR.
Yeah, HRM student.
Oh. What? Do we have to go?
We can go up kasi may TV sa taas.
Okay, guys. Guys, we'll cut. Oh,
Mawawala yung wifi.
do we need to cut it or no? Just continue it.
괜찮아. We're just gonna elevator.
Yeah, we're gonna go to all day, so guys. No, it's fine. Just leave it there, then let's go.
Okay, we're still live. We're in here. Parking.
No, we're here. Oh yeah, Going to fifth floor here. 죄송합니다. Voice watching.
Nandiyan pa rin?
I think. Do you have Wi-Fi?
Wala akong wifi. Ah, bullo.
There's no Wi-Fi.
Putok eh. Ito na? Hello?
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Ay po.
We're going.
Sit down, guys. This is my
Wow, may sopa. Bago yung sopa. Ano to? Upuan. Kamsahamnida. Can you get na the box para may stand to?
sit down.
I'll just go here sa box. Okay, we're just waiting.
We're watching Saturday. Oh.
So right now we're just waiting para mag-start yung Immortal song. Immortal.
Sorry, the six.
Nasa baba pa rin tayo.
And then the end.
And then what's the password?
Yun pa rin.
Okay.
And then the... Ito, ano? Same lang. Oh. Baka yun pa rin. Oh!
Wow!
Nakasa.
Wait, one instant.
We actually didn't see the actual run.
Yeah.
We didn't get to monitor afterwards because he was still busy filming the whole episode. So after we shot our performance, oh, it's the beginning in the survival shows.
Wow!
Oh,
Grabe yun, nagre-rehearsal sila, no?
Crazy.
Oo, diba?
Diba?
We also saw the remote, you can vote.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nasa
yeah.
likod siya, yung upuan.
We also tried to wick it.
Let's read the comments.
Okay.
Ooh, he's going to perform na!
Yay! Let's go! We go on!
We're watching our immortal songs with isang social media.
Yeah.
Anong pinapanood niyo, guys?
Kakasagot
Kaya tayo.
Ayun!
Wow!
Alright!
Oh my God! Sarap yun.
Momosa.
You always likes to mention us.
Yeah.
Okay. Big up! Seriously!
Yeah!
Guys, video with your phone.
Okay, see you.
But it's still not gonna start, it's later. Okay, go. Oh, it's big up! Yeah, it's the first
Yeah.
prod. First, we didn't read this.
I read it. I read it.
Parang ang tito mag-video. Gumagalaw-galaw. Gumagalaw-galaw.
Inspired.
Parang kang ano dyan
Akio.
Stage mom ka dyan.
Wow!
Uy,
Wow, let's go! Isang Jackson Black team.
Gonna watch it.
보고 싶었어 보고 싶었어 Let's dance!
Go!
더 그리워 그리워
Wow!
Wow!
Ooh, fun fact, Tyler and Marcus taught the audience how to dance the
Yeah!
already dance.
Ang galing nga nila, grabe.
So that's why they're dancing along. They taught them beforehand.
Wow, charming.
Wow.
Charas niyo.
Oh my gosh, is this where?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, like
It's starting now!
Okay.
Tapos in-edit out.
Okay, go out!
Hindi mo ba ito?
Ayun na, ayun na.
Hindi pa to. Ayun na!
Ayun na,
Ayun na!
Wow!
Let's go,
Let's go,
Bryson!
Irvin!
Mommy, I'm in KDS!
Wow! Mami na siya!
Who are these people?
Oma!
Wow!
Whoa! Who's that?
Pogi ko yan!
Wow!
Ah, pogi, oh.
Hala!
Hello. Okay.
두고서
나로 사랑한다고
Okay!
Let's go!
Let's go!
Original.
This one we also did sa concert niya.
Yeah.
Eh, kemot naman siya eh.
Let's go, guys! Wow!
Wait, I can't believe I'm in Immortal Songs.
Yeah.
We're in Immortal
Wow.
Songs.
Bigay na yung ano mo.
Tito, yung cellphone mo, tabi yung video.
Hindi na nauna.
They're dancing along.
Let's go!
Wait, may pasabog, may pasabog!
Pasabog ka! Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na!
May balloons. Wow.
Balloons. Ayan na. Merong mag-aano dito.
Okay, ayan na!
May Olympics mangyayari. Ho!
Hey!
Spidol.
Hey! Oh, let's go! Wow!
Tahimik lang siya dyan, pero nagtatumbling-tumbling.
Let's go!
Hey! Drop it like it's hot! Oh!
We also did it with GK from it.
Yeah. Ang galing na mag-rap. Sobrang lakas.
He hyped us up.
Hey,
Hey!
let's go! Hey!
Let's
oh!
go! Hey!
Oh! Oh!
Let's
oh,
go!
Woo!
Yeah!
One take lang yan, guys. Actually, one day lang ata natin pinractice yun.
Yeah.
Gabi lang.
Clutch pre clutch!
Clutch na clutch.
For a clutch.
Let's go.
Hey, hey.
It was so cool to watch Pigawa with a dance break and with rap
Ang
lines.
galing, no?
Yeah, we didn't expect it would have that.
Compress!
It's rainy day!
Compress na compress.
Wow! What's up, Don? I'm
Saramino!
Thank you.
We're so Charles and Benny, if you're watching this, we're so thankful.
Very thankful.
Yeah,
Super
grateful for everything.
Thank you so much.
Hey.
He also treat us food afterwards,
Yeah.
right? So thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Ayan, grabe.
Yeah, this girl.
That girl.
Grabe yung rehearsal nila, no? Like,
Nafe-feel mo talaga.
Ano kasi namin meron kasi kaming in-ear while doing the rehearsal.
Oo.
So
Yeah.
naririnig namin talaga yung voice nila.
They're so live scene.
Grabe.
Actually, ayan, gusto ko panoorin performance nila. Let's go, let's watch it.
Wow.
Grabe yung galing.
Let's
Yeah, so
go.
good.
Meron bang meron bang
Who's the winner?
napanood? Guys, did you watch it too?
Hala, mukha niya si ano? Si Mir? Mentor natin. Oo.
Wow, siya pala yung nanalo.
Ganda ng patambling mo.
Nice one.
Solid.
Walang stretching. Wala.
Wala vocal warm up din, pre.
Wala vocal warm up, nagtumbling na siya agad, walang vocal warm up. Hindi siya nag-lip trills. Ganun.
Diretso tumbling, no?
Tumbling agad.
Warm up sa vocal warm. Wala, unavailable daw for others. Pakita mo yung video mo! Okay, he will show
Go, watch.
Okay guys, papakita sa inyo ni Winston yung ano.
Because some people didn't get to watch it.
I think it's better if you just post it. Medyo tatabini lang yung camera, guys, ha? Sorry pa sa tito namin.
Huwag po kayo mali.
Sorry.
Yung tito pa kasi namin.
Pakita mo yung special visit.
Hintayin nyo ang dance break ng Pigawa, guys. May balloons.
Merong mag-aano dito May Olympics mangyayari.
Ayan na! Dance break. Hey! Hey! Oh, let's go! Wow! Oh!
Tahimik lang siya yan, pero nagtatumbling-tumbling.
Let's go!
Hey! Hey!
We also did it with GK. That's our debut on Immortal Song.
Galing na mag-rap. Sobrang lakas.
He hyped us up.
Let's go! Hey! Oh! Let's go! Yeah!
One take lang yan, guys.
Oh, malapit na yan matapos.
Clutch, pre-clutch!
Clutch na clutch, pre. Let's go.
It was so cool to watch
naririnig nyo?
Higawa with a dance break and with rap.
Malapit na.
Yeah, we didn't expect it would have that.
Ayan na. Wow!
Thank you so much for
Watching with us.
Oh, ang galing. Galing natin sumayaw.
Solid.
So yun guys, thank you so much. And don't forget to secure your tickets sa Angkor High. And yeah, support Marcus as Max in IZX.
IZX.
And yeah, see you sa November 3.
Yeah.
November 3.
Marami pang oras kayo mag-enroll na kayo.
Guys, huwag niyo kakalimutan yung mga baon niyo pag pumasok kayo ng school.
Mag-dinner na kami.
Yeah.
So,
Bye.
see you later.
Bye-bye. Thank you,
guys. We love you. Watch it later, the Immortal Songs with Isang Choice of Benin and GK of Benin.
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's go. Watch it later for us.
Watch it later.
Bye.
What's that? Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.